Hi, today I'm going to show the OVR. It's a decentralized platform for the special web. OVR is a horizontal platform to build and visualize geolocalized AR, VR experiences. I hope you like this site, you like my video, and we can just start. Alright, and here on the homepage, you can just get it on Google Play or on the App Store. You just click it. You can just install this over there, and App Store too. You just click over there. As you can see, it's a new level of reality. The OVR level covers the entire world's surface and is divided into hexagons. There are 1.6 trillions of hexagons on the Earth, and each one represents an OVR digital land. Depending on the OVR land where you are, OVR allows you to discover new things around you and experience fantastic augmented reality experiences. OVR also offers you a series of fun experiences where you can live the magic of augmented reality. This app will ask for permission to access the camera on your device. The camera is accessed in order to enable the augmented reality functionality. This app will also ask for permission to access the position on your device. When asked, you will be given an option of accepting or turning down permissions. Unless permission is granted, the app will not function correctly. Permissions can be adjusted at any time in settings. As you can see, there are 4.8 out of 5 stars, so it's a great rate. And here you can just see how this app looks like. You can just go through it, as you can see, and you have this also on iPad, as you can see over there. And here, as you can see, you have the whole world, all map, you know, and there are 137,027 closed auctions and currently 6,420 open. And yeah, here you have like the Europe. You can just see how many auctions are in Europe, and you have another countries too. You can just go through it when you want and just check the auctions, and you can just get your own OVR land or participate in an auction to get it. So you can just enter the OVR market, participate in land auctions, and discover the OVR ecosystem. And you can just buy the OVR over there. You can just click it, and you can buy OVR lands, NFTs, using OVR tokens. OVR lands are created through an auction. The minimum price is $10 paid in OVR. Auction closes 24 hours after the last bid. If you are the winner, an NFT representing the OVR land will be minted and sent to your wallet. And you can just enter and explore the OVR marketplace. And here are again this auctions. Highest bid is 6,400 OVR, and here you can just look at it again. Here you have auctions and closed auctions, and you can buy OVR fungible tokens from their IBCO. The starting price of the bonding curve is $0.07 per OVR, and the more tokens are minted, the higher the price. The IBCO is both a primary and a secondary market. You can buy and sell to the curve. Buying is creating tokens, selling is burning tokens. The IBCO will never stop, and it's the main guarantee of liquidity of the OVR tokens holders who may want to sell. OVR purchasing power for buying OVR lands has a floor value of $0.1, whether the price on the market. If you don't want to pass KYC, you can also buy OVR tokens on Uniswap, MXC, Bitmart, Bilaxy, or Loopring, and they are on the gate .io in 2 days, so it's a good information too, because you can just buy on gate.io also, and you can just click buy OVR, and here, as you can see, you have to log in to visit their IBCO, so you can just connect the wallet here. And first things, you got to install Web3 provider, you got to log in into the Web3 provider and connect to mainnet network, and you can just install MetaMask or install IamToken. And yeah, I have already like the MetaMask. And before you start the QIC, you got to give IamToken app the access to camera, and if you are using iPhone, in the later step you need to copy the external link and open the link in Safari to continue the facial scan. And step 1 is open IamToken app, go to browser inside the app. Second step, click on the top of the page, connect wallet. Step 3, connect your IamToken wallet and insert your email address starting the QIC. And step 4, you got to upload pictures of your ID document, then do the facial scan, and that's all. Alright, here are some informations. So pre-mined is 81 million OVR tokens, minted by the IBCO is 20 million, total supply 101 million, total locked in vesting is 75 million, token locked in staking 3 million, and circulating supply 22 million. And here you have the marketplace, so you can participate in an OVR land auction with OVR tokens. The base price for an OVR land auction is $10 paid in OVR tokens. OVR tokens have a floor purchasing power of $0.1, so regardless of the price of OVR tokens on the market, 100 OVR tokens will always have a minimum value of $10 for buying OVR land. Auctions have a window of 24 hours, and the minimum price increase for consecutive bids on the same land is 2x. Users that purchase land during the first 9 months will also benefit from their cashback promotion. And you can just buy again here the OVR land, and you can just connect the wallet again. I have already told you how to make it. Alright, and here is what is OVR. I already said it, but I would just said that they provide all the instruments to build, host and visualize geolocalized AR, VR experiences. Use cases include gaming, live events, virtual retail, real estate, tourism, avatars, marketing and many more. And they are featured on Cointelegraph, Forbes, Yahoo News, Hackanoon, Huoxing24, MarketWatch, Yahoo Finance, Jeans.com and Cointelegraph, but Chinese. And Overland owners will be able to contextualize custom experiences related to specific geographic locations, from static 3D content to games, events, avatars, and any experience they dare to dream. And within the OVR ecosystem, you can earn by buying, selling or renting OVR lands, or just by staking OVR tokens, while content creators can earn building and publishing AR experiences. You have OVR nodes, so all of the AR and VR assets will be hosted by OVR nodes, a decentralized IPFS network that will make the platform truly unstoppable. OVR nodes operators will be rewarded by the hosting fees generated by the platform. And here you have the OVR Live event, and you can here read what it is. So there is a way to be all connected in real time and to find ourselves all in the same room. With augmented reality, everything is possible. Thanks to AR live events, fans will be able to attend a live concert and see their favorite artists perform at their home. And the artist will be visualized through his 3D avatar, a hyper-realistic model. His movements will be recorded and reproduced in real time in order to recreate a live performance. For the participants, it will be like having the artist right in front of them. Thanks to augmented reality, it's possible to create that contact and those emotions that distance doesn't allow us to experience. And here you have how to use it. So first you got to launch the application on your mobile device, click on OVR Live and select configure your avatar option. Customize your avatar by clicking on personalize your face option, upload a photo from your gallery or take an instant photo. Click on the image icon on the top right to select your avatar body. Select enter OVR Live, join any of the Live events. You can create a private room or join a random public room. Once you are in a room, kindly read the directional tutorials for more insights. Click on skip tutorials once you are done. Hover your camera over a surface to kickstart the Live event. While in the room, move closer to interact with a friend by moving in your real environment with your phone. You can also click on the hexa points on the ground of your virtual room to move to that point without moving around your real environment. By interacting with an avatar, you can reduce the volume of the music and increase the volume of a user. And you have the OVR staking, so you can vote the best OVR node and get a share of hosting fees. You can just read more here about the staking. So there are two currencies, one decentralized system. OVR platform is underpinned by two decentralized infrastructures, Ethereum for the ownership of OVR lands and OVR tokens, and IPFS for hosting the AR assets. Performance in terms of storage and bandwidth. OVR nodes are critical components for the success of the platform. Staking allows to OVR token holders to vote for the best nodes, granting them governance over a critical component of the platform such as hosting performances. Only the OVR nodes with the best performances and most votes will receive a share of the hosting fees. Voters will also be rewarded with a share of hosting fees as reward for securing to the network and compensation for staking temporary illiquidity. And here is the OVR virtual layer. You can read about it too. So you can find and get your own hexagon. OVR created a digital layer over the physical world made of 300 SQM hexagons, the OVR lands. There are over 1.6 trillion of those covering the planet. Each one has specific coordinates and a unique name represented by a triplet of English words, for example blue sky dream. You have augmented reality, you can read about it too. So augmented reality is a technology capable of adding any type of content to the surrounding environment, creating the illusion that the real and the virtual coexist in the same space. All this in real time and from any device with a camera. Current mostly smartphones on the market have powerful processors that make the augmented reality experience extremely fluid and convincing. OVR allows users the ability to trace their surrounding environment in such a way that AR blends seamlessly with the real world. The spectacular union between real and digital generates a truly unique experience. And here is the marketplace and SDK, and you can make your own OVR land unique. So OVR platform will provide an AR marketplace where creators will be able to upload their AR contents, and OVR land owners will be able to choose from a wide range of AR experiences to enrich their OVR lands. And if you are a creator and you can code in Unity, you will be able to use OVR SDK in order to create new AR contents and experiences to sell an OVR marketplace. They are planning to release the SDK in early 2021. You can just contact them to know more and stay tuned. And here the treasure hunt, you can just start hunting over there, and here you can just start to earn OVR token, but on the application you got to install the application, and then here are the steps that you got to make to collect the OVR tokens. You have the treasure chest, and it's like the Pokemon Go. You got to go outside, you know, and just search for the treasure chests, and there will be the OVR tokens. And here you have the news and infos about the OVR. You have the articles, as you can see. Here is the newest article, March 29. You can just read the whole articles if you want, if you are really interested in this site, and there will be more articles in the future. And here the white paper. When you are very interested in this site, you can just read the whole white paper. There are 60 sides of it. Here have the table of contents. First, the market. Second, addressing market needs. Third, OVR key futures. Fourth, OVR tech. Fifth, token economy. Sixth, OVR nodes and staking. Seventh, platform launch. 8th, initial bonding curve offer. 9th, team, and 10th is legal disclaimer. And here as you can see, the OVR is on CoinGecko. It's for $2.29 right now, and you can just buy and sell it on CoinGecko, so it's a very great information for us. Here is the Twitter of the OVR. There are 5,942 followers. You can just follow them. Here's the Telegram, 31,087 members. And here you have the Facebook of the OVR, and 2,078 people like it, so you can just like it too. And if you have some questions, ideas or problems, you can just reach the OVR team on Twitter and Telegram. There will be some admins on the chat. You can just reach to them, or you can just write the message on Facebook. Alright, so that's all I wanted to show in this video. I hope you like this site. If you like my video, you will just buy the OVR token, and this site has a huge potential. This project is very big, and they have a great idea for this site. And as I said, you can just get it on Google Play or App Store. You can just download it. The rates are great. So for example, here on App Store you have 4.8 stars for it, and you can just download this application for a reality world over there. I have explained today everything you got to know about it, but when you are more interested in this site, you can just go and read the white paper. And as I said, they will be on the gate.io site in 2 days. And here you have the marketplace. You can just connect your wallet and make the auctions. And as I said, there are so many closed auctions already. Here you have the highest bid, and currently open so many auctions. And here you have the public sale. You can just connect your wallet and download the application, log in there, and you can just buy the token. You can just buy it on the CoinGecko too. Here you have those social medias. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.